Hello ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to introduce to you the Rear Admiral Hyperdrive, which is a little dirty because it hasn't been dusted in a while. My hard drive's making some noise, so I want to back up my files onto my zip drive. It's a Lieutenant Colonel clone, and I haven't really seen any videos about it, how to, like, say, format a partition, which I guess would be a logical unit, and actually do a copy. So I need to copy my sub bases and my email. I already got the BBS copy, so I thought I would kind of share with you on the little process on how to do it while I'm in the middle of doing it, because it might help somebody out one day, and that's what all of us homies are out here for. I think I got the monitor pretty appropriately adjusted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use LU7, because on the zip drive your partitions are, I believe, 6 through 10. Your hard drives are 0 through 5, if I ain't mistaken. Let me try it. See the red light flash? Yeah. So partition 0 through 5 is your hard drive, and it might only be partition 9, because it's been a while since I've backed up to the zip drive. Now if it don't work here, it might lock up on me. So there is 10 on there. It must be the end of the zip disk or something, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to use LU7 for our sub areas. So to actually format your zip disk, you actually got to do this for each individual partition. We are using a zip 100 drive, even though you can't see the 100 on there. There you go. And so now we're going to activate, which is a typical Lieutenant Colonel command. We're going to do LU number 7. Oh yeah, see, it only goes through 0 through 9. This is correct, and the last chance is correct. So it runs rather quickly. You do not want to put the Rear Admiral DOS image on there. So now we want to copy, because my hard drive is starting to do it right now. It's getting nice and noisy, so figure we better be safe, man, and back this shit up. So we're going to go to auto copy. And our sub bases are on LU number 1. I'm going to do all and hit enter. Our destination is going to be on our zip drive partitions number 7, because remember, 6 through 9 is your zip drive. Just hit return there. I typically hit return there, and our pattern we want to match is S space, and then I'll use the wild card, because I really need just every file with S on it. So we're going to toggle, next, toggle, next, toggle, next. So here's all my C-base sub boards, all my messages. Now we're going to copy. We are going to proceed, and here we go. Goes rather quickly because, you know, we're dealing Lieutenant Colonel style with the host adapter. You can see on both units they are rocking out. So that way at least my hard drive goes out. We got everything on there, man, because it's so big. I mean, you can do it on 1581 too, but there's so many blocks, I just do it on a zip drive anymore. So we're going to go through all that. It's going to take a little bit. So we'll pause here for a moment. And then we'll do the email. Because people need to read their email, you know, on these Commodore 64s. Because that's what BBSing's all about. Looks like no one's calling the one on the left. So anyway, we'll come back to you and we're ready to do the email. Alright, now we're going to do emails. This will go a little bit quicker so you can see the whole sequence. Not too many emails on there. Files copy, hit any key, and there you go. So you just hit enter to exit. And there's all your files. And on the rear admiral, your blocks free will actually tell you half of what you actually have. So if you got, say, 36,000 blocks, you got 72,000 blocks really. So if you got like 1,700, what is that? Like double that is like 36, 32. So that's 3,300 blocks that we used. Had to use my brain calculator. But anyway, just thought I'd show you a couple things with the rear admiral hyperdrive system. It's the Lieutenant Colonel that Jeff Jarian made. And got a couple of them around here for the bulletin board systems. And I hope you enjoy it.